I'm going to cover what you need to know about UPC barcodes. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business so they could help you out as well. I also share additional streams of income that I make online so you could do it as well. I am just a normal person, so I want to share what I do so you could do the exact same. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I really appreciate it if you could do it right now. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to cover what you need to know about UPC barcodes, how to find them, where to buy them, how much they cost. There's a lot of people that buy barcodes from certain sites and they don't work, and I want to show you how to avoid that. So we're going to jump into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly what to do and where to find them. So if you are ready, let's dive into my computer right now and get started. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we are on gs1.org, and before we get into it, if you don't know what a UPC is or a GTIN, I'll put them right here. Basically, these are the barcodes or the numbers that go with your product when you sell them on Amazon or anywhere else in the world. It identifies your product, so when someone scans that barcode, it brings up your information, and Amazon will use that to track your listing, track your sales, track everything to do with your product, and you could also sell it in other marketplaces with that same exact UPC barcode. So we're going to get into it right now. So there's a few different places that you could actually buy barcodes, but I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't get them from other websites. So up until about this year, 2020, Amazon allowed you to get them from third-party websites like Nationwide Barcode, and people were able to use these barcodes. They're a lot cheaper, but you run the risk of getting recycled barcodes, and if they don't update the GS1 database, your barcode won't work on Amazon. Amazon just made it harder to use these barcodes in 2020. A lot of new sellers run into an error message that say you can't use this or it goes with another product. Please get different UPC codes. So that is why I only recommend getting your UPC codes directly from gs1.org. This is the Amazon standard. Amazon has been saying it for years that they're only going to accept these barcodes, and I think it's finally coming down to that. If you're an older seller and you've been selling since 2019, I've heard sellers are still able to use those UPC codes from websites like Nationwide or Speedy Barcode, but if you are a new seller, I would recommend going right to gs1.org so you don't run into any issues, and it's Amazon's standard for UPC barcodes. So we're going to actually go into gs1.org. If you're wondering what the price is, a lot of people shy away from GS1 because it's $250 for 10 UPC codes. That's the least you could get, but if you have multiple products, they'll come in handy, and you have to renew them every year, and it's about $50 I think I paid for a year. So you have those 10 UPC codes for however long you want, but you have to pay that renewal fee, which is $50. So we're going to get into GS1 right now. I already logged in, and it's going to bring up this page, and then to access your barcodes, all you do is go right here to product, and this is where it shows like the description of the barcodes I'm using, my brand name, it'll say in use, and then it will say the GTIN number. This is the number that you're going to copy and paste into Amazon where it says product ID, and you're going to paste this number directly there, and then Amazon will accept these barcodes. But the only thing you have to do is you have to register them in your brand name and put the title description. I usually take the description from my Amazon listing, copy and paste it into GS1 so they match up exactly. I don't know if you have to match them up like that, but I do it just in case. And then once you sign up for GS1, you might get a phone call and they'll ask what your business is and what do you sell. It's just like a really short phone call. They just want to verify that you set it up, and these are the only UPC codes that you should use in my opinion. But you could try going the other route and try them to see if they work on like Nationwide or Speedy Barcode, and then if they don't work, go directly to GS1 so you don't run into any issues. GS1 updates the database daily, which Amazon now checks, where some of these other sites don't update the database with your information, so you'll get mismatched UPC codes and you will get a lot of issues. So I hope this clarified everything for you and you know where to get UPC barcodes now. Go to gs1.org and you won't have any problems. Alright, so now I hope you understand what UPC codes are, where to find them, how much they cost, and I clarified a lot of the confusion. And also, since we are done with this video, if you want to join my community of over 1,800 other FBA sellers and students of mine, check the link down in the description below. That's where all of my links are if you are curious about Amazon FBA, or if you want to learn more more or join a free community. All right, hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.